film which want to be a big hit, they can do that. 50 is an whole film which has a lot of philosophy.
Ready, come on. Wow.
Consultants who are located all over the world with more than...
A complete pleasure that I'm part of this.
I used to be very active in many places, volleyball and even athletics, அரசியல் அங்கே வந்து ஜெனரல் செக்ரட்டரியா இருந்தது. Very
struggling with various states of mind, and we must reflect, become self-aware, and try to connect with what is happening in our mind.
Any social problem gets manifested in a certain way, it becomes a police issue. And I was able to do that, but somehow the passion was always to go back deep down and do some change.
गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे
சிரித்தவளே என்ன குங்குமத்தில் கரைச்சவளே நெஞ்சில் மஞ்சள் தேய்ச்சி குளிக்கையில் என்ன கொஞ்சம் பூச.
The experience on the first talk in English in a stage in PhD Tech.
People realize that there is really no business that can really survive without the internet. They have to take their business online. They need to.
Good morning, PhDians. Welcome to the flagship event of the year. We have two modules today in this event. First is the felicitation, and the second one is the AGM. We have two MCs here. One is myself, Vijay Kumar, class of 94, mechanical sandwich. I'm with the executive committee last 12 years. Thanks to my godfather, Mr. Colonel Navneetha Krishnan, for having brought me into this. And we have Jayanti here. Over to you, Jayanti.
Thank you, Vijay. Happy morning and a warm welcome. I'm Jayanti Kannan, class of 93 alumna and joint secretary of Chennai chapter. Avanindri Moranavum Asayadu. Our sincere thanks to God for giving us this wonderful day. Let us commence the proceedings with Tamil Thai Vaalthu.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டனிதில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
A warm welcome and good morning once again as we move on to our first online AGM of Chennai chapter. I request all the participants to keep your mics on mute and use only the Q&A box for all your queries. Since our chat box is getting flooded with other, pleasantries. Now I invite our Vice President, Mr. Prabhuram, 88B Sandwich Mechanical alumnus, to welcome the virtual gathering. Over to you, Mr. Prabhuram.
Thank you, Jayanti. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the PhD Alumni Association Chennai chapter, I'm privileged to welcome one and all on this pleasant December morning. The few months that the weather gods are very kind to us. I'd like to start off with a favorite quote of mine by Mark Twain. It takes 3 weeks to prepare a good impromptu speech. I believe I didn't have 3 weeks of time, but I'm sure this speech is as spontaneous as it gets. I would like to start off by welcoming our distinguished members of the committee. Dr. K. Prakasan, Principal in charge, Dr. M. Arasu, General Secretary, Alumni Association, Mr. D. Nandakumar, President, Alumni Association, Dr. P. Radhakrishnan, Director, PSG IAS, Dr. R. Rudramurthy, Director, PSG Care, and I could see a lot of special invitees on board here. I welcome you all. I shall take a cue from what Francis Rodman once said. The problem which speech, I believe I didn't have 3 weeks of time. I'm sorry. The problem with speeches is not knowing when to stop and when to let the other person start. I'm going to pause now and let the MC take over from here. Hope we all have a joyous 2021, especially since 2020 has been such a whirlwind and put all our lives through some weird times and situation. Staying strong and stay safe. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Prabhu. Thanks a lot. So, இப்ப எங்க சாப்டருடைய ஒரு இளைய தளபதி ஒருத்தர் இருக்கார், அவரை இன்வைட் பண்ண போறோம். He is the youngest executive committee member in the chapter. He's going to do a small presentation of our team of office bearers and the executive committee. And it's a 25-member strong team. So may I request Teliban to do the presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vijay sir, for introducing me as a Talabri. So, hi, I am. Good morning to one and all present here and all the.
One minute, Teliban. Yeah, please switch on your video.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, good morning to one and all present here. So I am Dilipan Aravindan from class of 2019. I did ME Engineering Design, our PSG. So I'm very privileged to be in part of our EC member group. So I like to introduce our presidents and all other members of our EC group. So I am sharing my screen. So can all of you see my screen? Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, we could see Teliban.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So the office bearers of our EC team President Mr. Ratnakumar, Vice President Mr. Madhu Chokalingam, and Vice President Mr. Prabram Shanmugam, and Treasurer Mr. Shanmugam Perumal, and Secretary Mrs. Febin, and Joint Secretary Mrs. Jayanti Kannan. And so this is the our office bearers and our EC members. We have 19 members from batch of 1962 to 2019. So we had a very large group of people here, so that I can able to learn so much of things from these elegant peoples. So I like to introduce our EC members, Mr. Sananda Lakshmi, Mr. R. Muhameti, Mr. Chandrasekharan, Mr. Deenadayalan, Mrs. Jalasri, Mr. Janakarajan, Mr. Karthi Sekhar, Mr. Mohan Raj, Mr. Nambi Dandavani, and Mr. Natarajan Shokalingam, Mr. Navanitha Krishnan, Mr. Ponnusamy, Mr. Rabinder, Mr. Pannirselvam, Mr. Sundaram, and myself, Dileepan, and Mr. Venkat Sitaraman, and Mr. Vijay Kumar, and Mr. Vivekanand, who is the oldest, and he is guiding us all through these activities. So these are the whole list of our EC member, and I request who are all the young alumni who joined in this AGM today. I like all of you to join our EC team to grow it a better way and make our PSG family a strong one. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Theliban, our youngest EC member. That was indeed a wonderful presentation. Thanks for all your efforts.
Theliban, can you stop your screen share? Thank you.
Sure.
Consistency is the key to success. Chennai chapter has been consistently giving events even during the pandemic for the benefits of its members. There was no month that went without an event from Chennai chapter. Now I invite our ever active and meticulous secretary, Mrs. Febin of Chennai chapter, for her annual report.
Thank you, Jayanti. I hope you can hear me.
Yes.
Yeah, we could hear you well, Febin.
Yeah, just give me 1 second. I hope you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, we are able to see.
Good morning to all. Thank you for joining us today for the 6th AGM. I'm glad to be here to present the annual report of the Chennai chapter as the secretary of the chapter. Before getting into the events, which a lot of you have been part of, I would like to update about some of the initiatives of the Chennai chapter first, which would be dealt in detail by our President Ratnakumar during his address. So we've gone digital in operations. All of you are aware, we've done the membership online now, and the subscription also, we've done the payment gateway also online, thanks to our EC member Venkat and the support from Gavaskar of Zoho to do this. And we've improved our presence on social media. We're connecting with thousands of global alumni throughout the world. And we're conducting meetings online. And today the AGM is also conducted online. So I thank the Karthik team and Karthi Shekhar EC member for the support. We have now changed the bank account from SBI to IDBI, for this online transactions so that we could integrate our membership registration. And we have inducted Advocate Prabhakar as honorary legal advisor of the chapter. And we are seeking continuous feedback from all of you. And we promptly circulate the responses from the speakers and videos and the interactive sessions so that, we can improve our activities and stay connected. Quarterly newsletters are being circulated with all the events, and our website is continuously updated with latest events and updates. Special thanks to Ananthalakshmi for the content. We have 2 active WhatsApp groups and request all to pay the annual subscription. And we are due for the next calendar year subscription in January. I'm sure all of you will support. We started celebrating alumni who impact society. And we have acknowledged and hailed the efforts of Sandeep and Sangeeta Sandeep, Manish and team for their untiring and relentless service to humanity during the COVID pandemic. We have 25 active EC members. Without their dedicated involvement, all this is not possible, and I thank each and every one of them. And from this year, we'll also have honorary members, special invitees, and as Taliban said, we are hoping that more of you will join the EC and take our chapter to greater levels. We are in talk with MMA and our college to form a student chapter and benefit from the programs. Thanks to Jayanti for this initiative. And we would also have mentors from our chapters among the senior alumni to support this. We, among the EC, we have formed 7 subcommittees, led by various EC members and working separately focused to create more and more facilities and initiatives. So the Alumni Business Council, which is a proposal, it's led by Paneer Selvam sir, mentoring by Mr. Vivekanandan and Dina Dayalan. We have a Digital Assets Governance Committee led by Mr. Natarajan. Investments group, we have a WhatsApp group, very active group led by Mr. Natarajan. And PSG Family Home initiative proposal led by Madhu and Vijay. We have the TAM Flats subcommittee led by our past president, Mr. Navanitha Krishnan sir, and a technical business forum led by Karthi Shekhar now, led by Srikanth earlier. And we are in the process of streamlining the business promotion activities, in the group so that all the alumni get benefited by it. And we also had few sponsors for the events, which was again first of its kind in the online. We had attended 2 council meetings conducted by the parent chapter. We have conducted monthly executive committee meetings throughout, even during the pandemic, online, since the last AGM. I request the alumni community to propagate all this information to their batchmates and alumni friends so that all would stand benefited. To sum up, we have a very good and active, involved, dedicated team of EC, which is the best in terms of resources. And all your support is what is needed for us to move forward still further and, make the PSG logo fly high. So I'll get on to the activities that were conducted after the last AGM. The last AGM was conducted on 21st September 2019 with 110 participants. Thereafter, we conducted the GRD talent test for the 9th and 10th standard school students at the Department of Manufacturing in Anna University on 2nd October. More than 75 students from various schools participated, and we thank Anna University's Manufacturing Department for according permission. And this year, it was conducted online, and Chennai chapter had the maximum participation, thanks to our Joint Secretary Jayanti Kannan for her efforts. A new initiative called the Tech Business Forum was initiated for alumni to facilitate business networking and for referrals. First meeting was held on 8th October at the Hotel Benz Park. Mr. Srikanth was the program coordinator for 6 months. It's in rotation, and now Mr. Karthi Shekhar is the coordinator for that. An interesting talk show on digital disruption, content is key, by cinematographer and my batchmate, Mr. Mahesh Muthuswamy, was conducted on 19th October. With his endearing and soft-spoken voice, he showed the content evolved and what the future of feature film would be. A scenic walk along the Manapakam Trail along the banks of Adaya River was organized for the alumni and their families on 10th November. We had a lovely time. It energized our mind and body with deep conversations, jovial interlude, and quality time with spouse and children. As a fitting finale of 2019, Saranya Ravichandran of 2014 batch, she's a senior analyst in France. So when she came to Chennai, we invited her and she spoke about promoting yourself on 14th December 2019. And this year's get-together on 25th January 2020 was at Blue Lagoon, Nilankarai, and the day was full of fun, frolic, family members, fantastic energy, and above all the undying PSG and bonding and spirit of spouse and children. There were a total of about 74 attendees, out of which 48 were alumni. So we had a session with our alumni Vijay Rampal of 2009 batch on 15th February a yoga session which began with Vinyasa Yoga Flow, Yoga Nidra, Pranayamam, and meditation, and followed by a short discussion on yoga and its benefits. Karthi Shekhar, 1994 batch, a second generation entrepreneur. He ventured into digital marketing with Oculus Digital. We had a workshop, very interesting workshop with him on 7th March. The pandemic situation gave us the opportunity to engage with global alumni through our webinars, enhancing our digital presence and taking our digital operations to the next level. As part of the global webinar series, first in the line was Business After COVID on 25th April. Dr. Radhakrishnan, Director of PSG Institute of Advanced Sciences, who is also present here today, and Mr. Maran Nagarajan, PSG Tech Class of 94 alumnus and the CEO of Car Technologies, shared the many ways that this global pandemic has forced us to rethink the way to go about our daily lives. We presented an exclusive opportunity for PSG Tech alumni to raise questions and get them answered by PSG Class of Tech Class of 81 alumnus and Tamil Nadu's Honorable Minister for Tamil Language, Tamil Culture and Archaeology, Mafo K. Pandyarajan, on 16th May 2020. He shared his brotherhood and affection for fellow PSGians and answered various questions ranging from his entrepreneurship venture to Kiradi excavation. Lieutenant Seshadri, Class of 88 alumnus, was the speaker for a Happy Hour event on 20th June. The happiness hypothesis was explained by Lieutenant Seshadri as he decoded the brain functioning based on hormones. We had an enthralling session with a man whose change personified, Annamalai Kuppuswamy, former IPS and Deputy Commissioner of Police, a Class of 2007 alumnus, in conversation with our Joint Secretary, Jayanti Kannan. He shared his impacting and inspiring journey, his multifaceted career from engineering management to civil service to social service. We hosted an entertaining online cultural collab on 12th September that brought fun and a great way to celebrate the performing talents of our alumni and their family. There were 26 participants ranging from 5 years to 64 years, young with performances in song, dance, musical instruments and whatnot. It was a scintillating online cultural event, one of its kind among the PSG Tech chapters, hosted by our active EC member, Ms. Anantha Lakshmi, Class of 1994 alumna. So it premiered on our YouTube channel for the very first time, and innovative initiative among the chapters. Digital participation certificates were given, and the event was sponsored by V-Star Diamonds, founded by our Mr. Vijay Kumar, Class of 94 alumnus. We had a contest after this, and the prize distribution was on 19th October at Vijay's premises. Another interesting webinar on PSGians powering 5G, hosted by our EC member, Ms. Anantha Lakshmi, featured Dr. Chokkalingam and Ms. Vanitha. Class of Chokkalingam sir is 1984 alumnus, and Ms. Vanitha is a Class of 94 alumna, VP from San Diego. Chokkalingam sir is an IAC professor, as you all know. The event was sponsored by Geek Minds, founded by Ganesh Gopalakrishnan, Class of 1994 alumnus. We wish to place on record our great appreciation and gratitude to Mr. Maran, Mr. Selva and Mr. Ratna of Car Technologies for their wonderful support and generous sponsorship to our chapter and its various activities. We also thank Ravi, Vadivel, Akhil, Anant and Damu of Car Tech for their wonderful help in conducting our meetings and events. Special thanks to Zoho and the alumni at Zoho for providing technology partnership for our digital activities. And we did circulate our financial reports and our proposed initiatives to the registered alumni as a precursor to the meeting today. So thank you all for joining. I thank one and all. Thanks.
Thank you, Febin, for the exhaustive annual report. Reportuke ivlo nera avudhu ivlo vishayangala vela senju conduct panni a great thing. May I request the treasurer, Mr. Shanmugam, to present the annual financial report and adoption of account.
Thank you, Vijay sir.
Shanmugam sir, request you to start your video, please.
Yes. Yeah. Can you see my video?
No.
I switched on. I can see. Can others see my video?
No, Shanmugam, not able to see.
No, you started the video.
Yeah, we could see you now, Shanmugam.
Okay. All right. Let me share my screen as well. Can you see my presentation?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Very good morning to all of you. It's indeed a very great pleasure for me to welcome you all for this online AGM 2020. Myself, Shanmugam, 2004 ME production, treasurer, presenting the audited financial report for the period from 1st April 2019 to 31st March 2020. It's not about having lots of money, but it's all about how to manage it. We are confident that we have done a honest and good job. This report is audited by Rajesh and Ganesh, Chartered Accounts, T. Nagar, Chennai. Let me go into the details. Since we have already circulated to all the participants the financial report, I'm just going to the highlights of the overall report. As I said, this financial report for the period financial year 1920, we have begun with the opening bank balance of 2,63,000 rupees, and we have added the subscription amount 3,03,000, which is highest ever subscription amount which we have collected so far. And apart from that, even we received 85,435 rupees. Sponsorship received is 1,76,703 rupees, which is primarily from our president Ratna Kumar and Sello Kumar and Mr. Maran from Car Technologies. They have sponsored this amount for AGM 2019. And apart from that, the other income is interest income from bank 8,268, and money received from parent chapter is 20,000, and the tax refund is 1,060 rupees. Hence, the overall income for this financial year comes to 7,94,529 rupees. On the expenditure side, the major expenses happened in AGM expenses, that is 2,45,400 rupees. And for family get-together event expenses, 64,917 rupees. Talent and cultural event expenses, we have spent 39,820 rupees. For Oscar Award winner Catalongo Leon felicitation function, we have spent 12,160 rupees. And for TAMFLAT maintenance expenses, 7,000. And GRD talent test expenses are 4,278 rupees, and the bank charges 89. So having done these expenses, the closing balance on bank as on 31st March 20 is 4,20,235 rupees, and the cash in hand on 31st March 20 is 630 rupees. So, and coming to the fixed assets, what we have for association is, as most of you aware, we have a flat at Saidapet Srinagar Colony. The written down book value is 2 lakhs. It's for accounting purpose. It's mentioned as a book value or written down value. It's 2 lakhs. But when it comes to market value, it is approximately 50 lakhs. And as I said, this report is audited by Rajesh and Ganesh, Chartered Accountants, T. Nagar, Chennai. And coming to the movable assets, that is bank balance and cash balance as on today, IDBI Bank, wherein we have bank balance of 4,59,478 rupees. From SBI account, we have rupees 12,570 rupees. And cash balance, as I mentioned in the report, rupees 630 rupees. So the total amount what we have as on today is rupees 4,72,678 rupees. And during this financial year 1920, the major contributors, I would like to highlight it here. Without this, this balance sheet would not be an attractive one. And the first and foremost contribution from is our you people, your money. It's membership contribution, 3,03,000 rupees. It's a 303 members contribution. Thanks one and all who have contributed to this bigger amount. This all happened because biggest drive from our office bearer, executive committee members. I thank all the people who drive to make this larger membership. And I would like to special mention thanks to Mr. Sundaram sir, membership drive committee head, 1979 BU production. He has done a wonderful job to make this number a high number. Thanks to Sundaram sir. And another contribution from our parent chapter. They are always our hand-holding all the time, all our throughout the year so far. Since in our association inception, they have contributed 20,000 rupees. And not last but not least, sponsorships mainly for AGM 2019. President Ratna Kumar, Mr. Maran, Mr. Selvakumaran, for AGM 29 from founders of Car Technologies. They all belong to 94 BU production. They have contributed 1.7 lakh rupees. That's a big amount. Thank you, sirs. And another contribution from is our EC member, Dr. Deenadayalan sir, for Family Get Together 2020, 1987 BE Metallurgy class. He has contributed rupees 5,000 rupees. So on behalf of Executive Committee, I sincerely thank all our beloved members, sponsors, and parent chapter for their financial contribution. Thank you once again. And now let me come to the appointment of auditor. Our executive committee decided to continue with the same auditor, Rajesh and Ganesh, Chartered Accountants, Srinagar, Chennai, for the next financial year too. Their annual remuneration for the auditor is rupees 2,950 including GST. Now I request general body to approve the same, both the accounts and the appointment of auditor. I request someone to propose and second so that we can consider as an approval note to proceed further. Over to people, our members.
We can see a hand raise.
Yes.
Giridharan.
I see Mr. Parivallal, I think.
Yeah.
Mr. Parivallal. Thank you. I think Mr. Parivallal, thank you, Mr. Parivallal, sir, for proposing. And I see Giridharan, sir, for seconding. Shanmugam, kindly make a note.
Yeah, thank you, Parivallal, and thank you, Mr. Giridharan. I appreciate.
Mr. Giridharan is 2008 and Mr. Parivallal is 1990, civil.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. Now I request all the members to pay the annual subscription in the beginning of the calendar year and make use of all our events conducted by our association. Thank you once again for all your active participation, and we expect your active participation and much more what we had earlier years. I request the same in the coming years as well. Thank you so much for participating in this online AGM. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Treasurer Shanmugam. It is
Thank you.
true and fair to say the accounts maintained and presented is true and fair, just like our Treasurer Shanmugam. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
Now I invite Mr. Janakarajan, our senior EC member, ME 78 Power Electronics alumnus, for election of office bearers. Over to you, Mr. Janakarajan.
Janakarajan sir, are you able to unmute yourself? Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, everyone who are attending this AGM during the pandemic period with all your interest shown in this meeting. And I am given the pleasant job of carrying out this election. I will just give an introduction about the election process. As you all know, the PSG Alumni Association Chennai chapter has been existing from the early 80s, and during the 2000, Mr. Navaneeth Krishnan ably carried over this association, and 2014 it was formally registered with the registration department under the presidency of Mr. Ratna Kumar, and the chief architect for our bylaws are our oldest member now, Mr. Vivekanand, and Mr. Ramasetu, who has passed away. As per the bylaw, which was created in 2020, registered in 2014, the term of office bearers is 3 years. So first 3 years, that is 14-15, 15-16, 16-17, that was first 3-year period. And then second 3-year period, 2017-18, 18-19, and 19-20. This is the last year of the second 3-year period. However, our President, Mr. Ratna Kumar, is continuing and carrying out all the good activities throughout the first 6 years. And now it is my pleasant job, which has been handed over graciously by Mr. Vivekanand to me as the election chief to conduct this election. So we are going to conduct the election for 2020 to 2030, the next 3 years. As such, we have 25 EC members. Previously, while starting this, registering this association, we had 9, and it was raised to 14, and it was raised to 20, and it was raised to 25 throughout these 6 years. And out of this 25, 6 are office bearers. As you all know, you have seen so many times here now, that is president, vice president, 2 vice presidents, 1 secretary, 2 joint secretaries, and 1 treasurer. These are the office bearers, and remaining 19 are the EC members. So as such, this year, what is the necessity to have the election? So this is the fresh election for the next 3 terms, 3 years. And after having seen all these good works and performance by this EC, it is suggested that the same EC may be continued for the next 3 years also. So there is one change is necessary. That is one Mr. Shanmugam, our treasurer. You have just seen him doing his best performance as treasurer, ably aided by Mr. Sundaram as a membership drive committee. So he is now opting out of this office bearers, not the EC. He will be member of the. He will continue as a member of the EC, but opting out from the treasurer post because of his commitments for his higher studies at IIT Madras. So now it is the present job to elect a new treasurer in the place of Mr. Shanmugam. So I would call this general body to suggest a name. If somebody is proposing, seconding, you can come forward now.
Anybody would like to propose?
Yeah, I would like to propose. I am Kujita Badam. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. We are able to hear you. Your batch, sir.
Yeah, I am Kujita Badam, 1970 batch. I propose the resolution introduced by Mr. Janak Raj, including the treasurer as Mr. Sundaram.
That is Mr. Sundaram. Okay. Thank you. And
thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Mr. Kunjata Badam, sir, for having proposed and seconded Mr. Sundaram to continue to be the treasurer for the next 3 years. Definitely it is going to be a very, very prosperous. We have never seen such a personality in the post of treasurer so far. And he will be bringing lots and lots of wealth to this association, because you all know his drive. He never sleeps. He always drives the members. And I am really thankful for Mr. Gonjalbam to having suggested him. So we will we will take it as granted that Mr. Sundaram is the
Mr.
next.
Ponnuswamy has seconded, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ponnuswamy, for having seconded Mr. Sundaram's name. And so Sundaram will be the treasurer for the next 3-year term. And the EC will continue as such, as it has been repeatedly told. And we have, now I will read out the final stuff. The office bearers being elected now, present office bearers, future office bearers: Ratnakumar, President; Mr. Prabhuram, Vice President; Mr. Madhu, Vice President 2; Mrs. Febin, Secretary; Mrs. Jayanti Kannan, Joint Secretary; and then Mr. Shanmugam, Mr. Sundaram, Treasurer. And the EC members being Mr. Vivekanand, oldest 1962 batch, is the driving force for our behind our activities. Mr. Chandrasekharan, 66 batch; Mr. Ravinder, 66; Navinidhi Krishnan, 77. He was the ably guiding our association for a long time so far, and he is now at California listening all our AGM activities from there. And Mr. Arumugam, 78 batch, and myself Janakarajan, I am 1979 ME Applied Electronics, ME Applied Electronics. And then Mr. Ponnuswamy, 1981, Mr. Panneerselvam, 1984, Mr. S. Mohan Raj, 1992, Deenadayalan, 87, Jalastri, 92, Mr. Vijay, 94, and then Nadarajan C., he was past secretary also, 1994, and Nambi D., 1994, Anandalakshmi, 1994, Karthi Sekhar, 1994, Mr. Shanmugam, 2004, Mr. Venkat, 2009, Mr. Taliban, 2019. Here I would like to add that we would like to have more and more of youngsters. Youngsters, I mean after 2000 batches. We have few members, but we want them to encourage more and more of their classmates, colleagues to come and participate in our activities. Chennai chapter is really a very famous globally now. During this pandemic period, we have conducted so many webinars, and it is taking a lot of initiatives, and it is going to be taking off from now in a huge way. So we want new members and youngsters to come and participate in our EC activities. If anybody is willing to participate and enthusiastically come and help us, coordinate with us, and see that the chapter is being projected to a higher and bigger and prosperous and richer levels. And we request all of you, any of you interested in joining the EC, you just communicate to your name and willingness to our EC. We will, the EC will appropriately consider your name and take action as deemed fit. Thank you all of you for having accepted me to conduct this election, and hope the chapter gets flourishing in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Janak sir. Janak sir வந்து இந்த சாப்டர்ல வந்து ஒரு ரிங் மாஸ்டர் மாதிரி குச்சி வச்சிக்கல அவ்வளவுதான். Thank you, Janak sir. Before inviting Ratna for the presidential address, Ratna பத்தி ஒரு very few words. He's a wonderful team player, and should appreciate him for his continuous and consistent support to the Chennai chapter. And he has a lot of strong vision for the chapter, and he is focused for the Chennai chapter's growth. Thank you. Over to you, Ratna.
Janak sir, can you please kindly switch off your video?
I can do it. I have the control. Anyway, thanks. Thanks, Vijay. Is my audio and video clear?
Yes, clear.
Yes, all good, Ratna.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining. I was just looking at the chat. Navani Sarpur, invite more, lady members to join the EC அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. It is, literally run by Febin and Jayanti and the team here. So now and typically if you look at any of these chapter activities, the first speech comes from the president. ஏன்னா பின்னாடி தள்ளிட்டாங்க. And that is how I run this chapter also. I am always behind and the team runs it. And when Vijay also did the introduction, he said he's a team player. So I consider myself as a team player, and that is how this whole organization is run. SR sir பேசினப்ப, it was really emotional. And I used to start this every time. பெற்ற தாயும் பிறந்த பொன்னாடும் கற்ற கல்லூரியும் நற்றவ வானிலும் நனி சிறந்தனவே அப்படின்னு. அதாவது தாயும் நம்ம பிறந்த நாடும் அண்ட் கல்லூரி. ஏன்னா கல்லூரியும் ஒரு காலகட்டத்துல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு கருதான் அது. அந்த கல்லூரியில ஒரு 18 வயசுல போய் சேர்ந்து அங்க ஒரு பிரதர்ஹுட் ஃபார்ம் ஆகி அங்கேருந்து then we look at the world. So we always wanted to give it back to the college. We always wanted to do something to the college. ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்று பண்ணணும், ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்று இன்வால்வ் ஆகி நம்ம பண்ணணும், because that's where we were born. And that is one place where you don't look at religion, caste, color, creed, என்ன பொசிஷன்ல இருக்கும், இதெல்லாம் எதுவும் பார்க்காம வளர்ந்த ஒரு 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 உறவு அது. ஸோ அது அதுக்கு we have to do something அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு எண்ணத்துல தான் we are still there. And thanks for the opportunity to serve you all. And of course we are living in some extraordinary times, and I wish everyone stays safe and healthy. First of all, I would like to welcome respected Principal Dr. Prakasam, PhD College of Technology. He's there and he should be able to talk after me. Also like to welcome respected Dr. Rudramurthy, PhD Care. He's also dialed in. Thanks for coming in, sir. Would like to welcome respected President Mr. Nandakumar, PhD Alumni Parent Chapter, Coimbatore. He has been a pillar of strength advising me on how to run the chapter activities and things like that. And a beloved professor, respected director, Dr. Radhakrishnan Nair, PhD Institute of Advanced Studies. He's been a huge support for me in terms of driving the chapter activities along with the team here. And respected Dr. Arasu, Secretary of PhD Alumni Parent Chapter. Welcome you all. He has been, again, one amazing person in terms of helping me run the chapter activities and what to do and things to do. I would also like to welcome all the eminent alumni who are present in this online AGM, probably first of its kind, friends and fellow alumni. And also a heartfelt welcome and thanks to all the executive council members and office bearers of the PhD Alumni Chennai chapter. I mean, without this team, I don't think it is possible to do whatever we are doing. And I will not be doing justice if I don't mention about a past chairman, Mr. Nevani sir. He's been the guiding light. He's the one who instilled in us on how to drive the chapter. So I'm always grateful to him and Panir sir and the past EC members who are still involved in terms of driving this. So welcome everyone. One of the vision statement that we as a team formed when we started is, and which came from or which was instilled by Navani sir, was to instill a sense of pride. Chapter people should be happy about it. IIT, IIM, they are very happy and proud about it. How do we instill a sense of pride in associating with the PhD Tech Alumni Chennai chapter? And that is one of the important primary thing that we want to do. That I belong to PhD, like how SR sir said that he never went to IIT, he stayed with PhD. That's one important objective we have. And to connect together for us and others is the second motto. Whatever we do, it's for the upliftment of the alumni and have a self-sustaining and active community participating in social, education, entertainment, upliftment of fellow alumni. இதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிற இதோட தான் we are functioning right now. And of course, I have to mention about the team. Although Taliban did introduction about the team, the kind of selfless activity the team does is quite amazing. Starting from Madhu, Prabhuram sir, Shanmugam as a treasurer, very, very meticulous in terms of following up. Secretary Febin, absolutely meticulous in terms of conducting any events and the way she drives the complete team is a great thing to watch. Jayanti Kannan, who has been doing an extraordinary effort in terms of getting the yearly school event done properly. I also would like to thank, this forms the office bearers, but if you look at the EC, very, very active EC with Ananthalakshmi, who stepped in the last 1 year and driving lots of events, Armugham sir, Chandrasekhan sir, we call him Shanks, who's been helping us in terms of vision and guidance on how to run the whole chapter. Deenadayalan sir, Jalashri madam, Janakarajan sir, Karthik Shekhar, been amazing in terms of driving the TBF, Mohan Raj, Nambi, and of course Natarajan, who's been a good friend, and he's driving 2 committees. One is the investment arm, where lakhs of transactions get rolled over every day, and he has a it is not officially there, but he has an investment committee or an equity committee which drives and lots of investments running into lakhs, and he is one of the guiding line in that activity that he does. He also does the digital committee, which is digitizing the back office as well as the front office, along with Venkat and Karthik, in terms of driving the website, in terms of driving the webinar, the WhatsApp group, Facebook, LinkedIn, social media. So there's quite a lot of things that we are doing, we have done, and we are planning to extend it further. Navneeta Krishnan sir, of course, has been one guiding principle in terms of what is right, what is wrong, what is the best way to do it. Very clearly established that it has to operate based on trust. That's an important currency that we need to maintain as far as Chennai chapter is concerned, and how we should be able to give transparency and documentation, accountability in terms of driving the chapter. So he's someone who helps us, and then Pons, of course, has been the link between the parent chapter and the Chennai chapter. Rabindra sir, Paneer sir, of course, இதுதான் பண்ணணும், இது பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு தெளிவா உடைச்சு சொல்லிடுவாரு. அருமையான மனிதர், and he's still helping us. He drives something called ABC, which I'll talk about it in a second. Sundaram has been a great person in terms of driving the membership. Taliban, the youngster, Venkat, and of course the 2 V's, Vivekanandan and Vijay of the group, who help us in terms of driving it. So committee in Pathina, there are close to 7 committees that we have, and all the 7 committees are quite active. But of course, I wanted to mention about the important, at least 3 committees that I want to touch upon is, one is about the, we are planning about something called, and this has been something that we wanted to do for a long time. Coimbatore college இருக்கவாசி people go there. Chennaiல there is quite a lot of people available. So இங்க ஒரு வீடு, ஒரு family hub, or a PSG home ஒரு சென்னையில பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு 3-4 வருஷமா பேசிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். But it has been quite difficult in terms of making it happen, or hopefully we make it happen in the coming years. அது என்னன்னா, we are looking at within the city limits ஒரு underground property with a built up area of around 3,000 square feet, which will function as a chapter office. We'll have a AV hall where you can do meetings, you can meet with friends and have interviews, small business meets, and then you also have a hall suitable for small parties and batchmates. We also are trying to have a gym facility with a trainer, and then we would also want to do some indoor game plan for small family events, which in a cafeteria. And we are also looking at a workspace room or office space at a subsidized rate for the startups. Eventually, we want to encourage more on the entrepreneurship and the startup ecosystem, and also do free trade fair for the members 1 day in a year. So that's something that that's been driven by Vijay and Madhu, and of course Paneer sir is also involved in that. This is the PSG home for the Chennai, and then we also have the something called Alumni Business Council, which is about promoting the business for the chapter and the society at large. Adula enna goal na, we are looking at doing 12 network meetings in a year, where you could do business within the products of PSG, number PSG Chennai, the parent chapter Nadakraveri, we are trying to do something here as well. We're looking at 100 members in 2 years' time. It will be about skill improvement, upliftment, training, which will happen 3 times in a year. One trade show every 2 years, and we are looking at a corpus fund of rupees 10 lakh within 2 years. So it will be a self. So AL committee, it functions on its own, but of course it is attached to the Chennai chapter at the EC level. அங்க உள்ள ஒரு கைட்லைன் வச்சு அவங்க they function on their own, they have their own budget and everything. அப்புறம் we have a team that governs this whole thing. Members பாத்தீங்கன்னா any PhD Tech alumni who owns a business can be part of this thing, and there is a separate fees for they're around 5,000 per year there. Prerequisite is, of course, you have to be the member of the chapter. And functions we will do basically to enrich in terms of how you conduct the business and help others as well in terms of uplifting their business. அதுதான் அந்த ABC chapter மூலமா ட்ரை பண்றோம். I don't have much time about mentioning about each and every committee, but this two I want to mention. Of course, digital committee and investment committee I did mention, and what we do here. The important aspect that we wanted to do during this pandemic is damn flat committee in solitaire. Navani sir heads that one. This for youngsters who have joined in, it is an apartment that is owned by the Chennai chapter. Our seniors, our beloved seniors, quite some time back, they had it done for us, and we are still holding it there. Ipo on the TAM flat one, it is not maintained in a proper condition. One of the things that we did was to form a committee and support the apartment members in terms of restructuring it and strengthening the whole structure. So in the vidathula we had Mr. Kanappan from L&T along with Febin madam and few other people. Janakraj sir, ellarum சேர்ந்து we formed a committee to get it better and get a better way of living there. But somehow we are not able to move further on that one. And it is in a very, very depleted condition. And with quite a lot of, and I don't think we can stay associated with for a long time with the TAM flood. So we wanted to monetize that. We want to get some value for the Chennai chapter. So we are planning to sell it off and encash that one or monetize that one, and use for the set of activities that I spoke in terms of the Alumni Business Council, or in terms of driving the digital committee, or in terms of the PSG home, which is something that we have been eagerly trying to do it for a long time. So in the AGM, I would also request everyone to approve this team to go ahead and sell it off and encash that one and do better activities. Of course, we are looking forward to a home again, which will be happy to do it. We'll have absolute transparency, and should be able to trust us and allow us to do this. And would like to end my note here. And thanks to everyone, parent chapter, Rudra sir, Sari, Prakasham sir, Aras, Nandakumar, Dr. Radhakrishnan sir, எல்லாருமே have been helping us a lot. And of course, we have an umbilical cord with the parent chapter. We are not an independent entity, but we want everyone's wishes, guidance to take the chapter to the next level. With that, I end my note. If there are any concerns or questions in terms of monetizing the TAM flat, do raise it right now, because we want to pass it as a resolution in this AGM. With that, I end my note and I hand it over back to James. Thank you.
Thank you, Ratna. Under your able leadership and support, Chennai chapter is doing a great job as a team. Thank you once again. Now it's time for open house. Please type in your queries only in Q&A box, as the chat box, as you know, is getting flooded with other messages. We will definitely take it up and answer your queries. Participants, anything from your side, please type in in Q&A box.
We can take up one or two few questions, even if it's going to be live. Maybe we can unmute you. You can raise your hands if somebody wants to ask something.
I think there is a question. Dina Dayalan Pillai is asking about can we have a 3-year plan? So Dina Dayalan Pillai, we have a plan on how we would run the chapter and how we would, I don't know if it's specific to the dam floods, but we have a solid plan, a very responsible and accountable team that we have, and a very seasoned one in terms of how they drive the chapter. But yeah, we should be able to publish a 3-year plan as well. So Venkatapati SS says PG Shrikant's involvement in dev. I'm not sure if that's a question, but okay. And Dhanshekharan says, I would like to request more sessions on entrepreneur sessions. Mr. Dhanshekharan will do that. We'll be happy to do that. And please do participate. Please do come and participate. But we have quite a lot of entrepreneurs. ABC, that's run by Alumni Business Council, that's run by Pani sir and Vijay, Madhu, and few other EC members, is specifically focused on entrepreneurship development in alignment with the government bodies and getting the best from the academics or academicians, and then uplifting the business community as a whole. So that is what we do. Please do stay tuned and join us. So we'll do more sessions. Manoharan Srirangan says we can sell Tamflat in 2021. Okay, sir, we'll take that up.
Hello.
ABC replaces a mentor forum proposed earlier. Kunjithapadam sir, no. ABC is a separate wing or a separate committee, that is Alumni Business Council. That's for the entrepreneurship and the business community in large. Mentor community is still there under the aegis of Mr. Vivekanandam and Dina Dayalan sir. Adula vandu we are collaborating with Madras Management Association. Collaborate panni. We are taking quite a lot of initiatives in terms of soft skills. And when people graduate from the college and when they move to a industry or a company, adula or bridge madri, we do courses on various factors. One is finance, marketing, sales, or it could be specific to a vertical solutions that we do. So adu pandrom, the mentoring is separate. That is still happening. So there are 7 committees, as I mentioned earlier. So mentoring committee is still running. Yeah, all the committees are running at various levels, and there is an internal fight on who does better. But yeah, we are doing that, sir. So idu vera adu vera rendume irukku.
Sorry, Ratna, just an interruption. Lakshmi, is there anybody raising their hands? They want to say something?
Yeah, a few have raised their hands. Okay, shall I go ahead and allow them to talk?
Yeah, maybe for 1 or 2 we can take up some questions live.
Okay.
Also understand we are having principal and others waiting. So
yes, they are waiting. And Ratna, there is a message from Mr. Nagarajan Rao, if you see.
See, I stay in Halwarpet, and there is a club near my house that has been built by IIT Chennai Alumni Club. So it's a very good facilities where you can have regular conference meetings for the alumni people. They can meet and on a weekly basis. And is it a way we can create one like that, funded by partly alumni and Chennai, something like that?
Mr. Nagarajan Rao, you're from which batch?
I am from 87 production batch.
All right, sir. I'm also a production guy. Thanks for asking that question, Mr. Nagarajan Rao. So the PSG home that we mentioned was something on those lines only that we want to do, and we have quite a lot of ideas in terms of how we want to do it. We're also looking at various options. One of the option would be to lease some land for 99 years. That is also an option that we are looking at, and build our own place. The other option is to rent and drive it. So it all depends upon the capital that we are able to make. One of the things that we would do is we would go around and ask for more capital from our fellow alumni to do this house. But yeah, it's on those lines. அந்த அளவுக்கு பண்ண முடியுமான்னு தெரியல, but we'll do something that we are looking forward, and we will be able to do something at some scale. Hope that answers your question, Sunil. Yeah, Venkatapati says TBF is still there, sir. Venkatapati, that is still there. And Srikanth பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தாரு, இப்போ கார்த்திக் பார்க்குறாரு. கொஞ்சம் overlapping objectives இருக்கு between ABC and TBF. Both are still there. We have not merged it, but ABC has a different view in terms of how we want to take the entrepreneurial community. And TBF and adula vande we will liaise with the government bodies, and we will do quite a lot in terms of getting, and there is a third view of academicians as well. So in the moon idu sendu varum. TBF vande purely on the selling part, and slightly different from what the entrepreneurship that we are doing. But eventually aduvum பேசிட்டு இருக்கோம், அது ரெண்டுத்தையும் merge பண்ணுமா இல்ல ஒண்ணா வைக்கணுமா அப்படிங்கிறது, that is also there. Hope that answers your question, Mr. Venkatapati.
I think, thank you, Ratna, thank you. I think we should thank the participants for participating in the deliberations, and also for the thoughtful questions. And may I invite Janak sir for the adoption of resolution now. And Janak sir, over to you.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Video start பண்ணீங்களா? Video open பண்ணீங்களா?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You're
sir.
audible. Please go ahead.
Video start பண்ணீங்களா?
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, gentlemen. I am coming before you again, once again, and this time it is my job to propose the resolutions of this AGM. We propose about 3 or 4 resolutions that you can adopt in this AGM. The first one is, it is resolved to re-elect Mr. M. Sundaram, 1979 BTech production, for the post of treasurer for the next 3-year term, in place of Mr. Shanmugam, who is opting out due to his higher education commitments. This is the number 1 resolution. This we have already explained, and we have elected Mr. Sundaram already. So the next second resolution is, it is resolved that all other office bearers and EC members will continue to remain same for the next 3-year term, that is 2020 to 2023. This also we have already discussed. Number 3, it is resolved to dispose of our flat at flat number 40 PSG Tech TAM flats, Srinagar Colony, Saidapet, for developing a PSG home at Chennai for the use of our members. This cause has been clearly explained by our president just now. I hope you all understand that. So number 4 is to remove the suffix Saidapet from our association name. It is now presently it is called PSG Tech Alumni Association Chennai Chapter Saidapet, and we would like to remove that Saidapet from that, and rename it as PSG Tech Alumni Association Chennai chapter, which we normally call now. So the need for this is the side of it has been introduced by the registration department clerical error. Since our pamphlet happened to be at Srinagar Colony Saidapet, they have just included Saidapet in that, and that is to be cleared for the future record purposes. And also our bank account is just in the name of PSG Tech Alumni Association Chennai chapter. So to have uniformity, we need to have this correction in the name of our chapter association. So these are the 4 resolutions now proposed before you. And if you are willing and accept all these things, you can give your concurrence.
Anybody proposing?
Hello?
You can also raise your
I request
hands.
the general body members to give your concurrence to this 4 resolutions, please.
Yes, I am Kujita Basam, 1970 batch. I agree to the proposals and
Thank you,
confirm.
Mr. Kujita Basam, again coming and proposing, accepting the resolutions.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. And
shall we take this resolution passed by the general body? Okay, thank you for all of you for this opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you, Janakarajan sir.
Thank you.
Your eye for detail in terms of documentation and proper implementation of protocols are very vital for our chapter indeed. Now I invite our parent chapter president, Mr. Nandakumar, for his address. Over to you, Mr. Nandakumar.
Respected patron and principal of PAG College of Technology, Dr. Prakasham, honorary patron, Dr. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rudramurthy, President, Mr. Ratanakumar, and team of office bearers of the Chennai chapter, Dr. Arasu from General Secretary from the parent chapter, members of the Chennai chapter, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, I should thank Ratanakumar and team for the wonderful job they have done during the last term. And I also wish them all the best in the new term for the next 3 years to take up today. I particularly thank 2 chapters. One is the Hosur chapter and the Chennai chapter for the active participation at the region level and at the parent chapter level. And during the lockdown, I have seen several programs starting with the business after COVID and the recent one powering 5G technology and other webinars were well attended and nice topics were addressed by our alumnus. On behalf of the parent chapter and in my personal behalf, I extend all support to the new team and to the Chennai chapter from this year for the new team. I also thank Ratanakumar and his team for the extraordinary support they are rendering to the Chennai chapter and parent chapter, and I hope it will continue all these years. I have a principal after me and who can elaborate more on the PAG Tech GRD Science and Technology Museum, which we are going to shortly open, and the building and other things have already almost completed, which principal will add more on this. I thank all of you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Nandakumar sir, for that wonderful speech. Thank you, sir. And may I request Dr. K. Prakashan, Principal in charge PSG College of Technology, to address the gathering.
Prakasan sir, could you please unmute and
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir, we could.
Yes. Good morning and good afternoon. We are past 12. At the outset, I congratulate the Chennai chapter under the able leadership of Mr. Ratnakumar for their meaningful and wonderful activities happened during the lockdown and before that. And I thank the team for inviting the parent chapter to participate and give our plans from the parent chapter. President Mr. Nandakumar already indicated about the museum, Dr. GRD Museum, which is coming up in the Nilambur campus. Before I speak about that, some of the updates from the campus. March 17 onwards, we did the lockdown and slowly it is getting released. Now all the faculty members and non-teaching, they are coming to the campus in the physical environment. Majority of the classes are held from the campus in the online mode. And from December 3rd, we have launched the exams again online. And the first priority is to clear the semester exams in the regular category, then complete the supplementary exams, which are very crucial, and it got stuck because of the some of the legal disputes. It is getting released, so we are going to complete the exams as soon as possible and see that students secure their future credentials. So this is about the exam, and the next semester is also going to start on 28th of December, so that we won't have big hurdles in running the academic year, and spillover will be minimum. And the other issues on accreditations like NAC, NBA, all these are happening. And for all, it is a very happy news. Placement is going well. We are reaching about 600. Good companies have come. I think during pandemic, the packages offered are higher compared to last year. It shows there is a need for talent all the time. So we are improving the placement activities, improving the internship processes, improving the profiling and the training of first year students, identifying their gaps and providing adequate support. So this is from the academic side. Coming to the museum, I think this building is coming up and some of the galleries are planned, use of virtual reality, latest technologies. And one impressive point of your presentation, I found Go Digital. I think we are also pursuing the same path. We have done a lot of digital initiatives in the campus in academic and financial side. And the museum which is going to come up, it will have a lot of digital technologies like virtual reality. We have bought big software to simulate or mimic the real world with technological and cultural presentations. Definitely people will enjoy. And because of the lockdown and the funds, there is some delay. So the Chennai chapter also can definitely contribute and look at the growth of this museum. Technological inputs will be most welcome. So again, we will update you as and when the meetings are held. And there is a consultant from Calcutta doing the design and documentation. So in summary, the activities of Chennai chapter we very much appreciate, and I hope it grows in leaps and bounds. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Prakasan. That was a wonderful address. ஈன்ற பொழுதின் பெரிதுவக்கும் தன்மகனை சான்றோன் என கேட்ட தாய். கண்டிப்பா நம்ம அல்மா மேட்டருக்கும் பேரண்ட் சாப்டருக்கும் பெருமையை சேர்க்கும் படியாதான் இந்த சென்னை சாப்டரோட இவெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே நடந்துட்டு இருக்கு. I hope you're all happy with our events and programs. Thank you so much, sir. Now I invite Dr. Radhakrishnan Nair, Director of PSG Institute of Advanced Sciences, for his address, please. Over to you, Dr. Radhakrishnan.
Thank you, Jayanti. First of all, let me offer my congratulations to Ratnakumar and team for the successful working of the Chennai chapter. And we are all with you to ensure that you resolve the pamphlets issue as early as possible. And whatever help that is needed for this will be coming from our parent chapter and the management. If you require any specific input, you please let us know. We will take it to our management and what can be done, we will explore. We are very happy about the working of the Chennai chapter. I think you set a good record this year in spite of COVID, and excellent work. And I would like to ensure that the interaction between the Chennai chapter and the college is strengthened for the benefit of the new generation of students. And in this regard, I request the team from Chennai chapter to work closely with the parent chapter and the college. And I personally feel that the present generation of students and faculty stand to gain a lot by interacting closely with Chennai chapter. In fact, I will rate the Chennai chapter as the most active chapter in the various chapters of PSG Alumni Association. You set the standard and let others follow that. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging and supporting words. In fact, sir has been typing in the chat box all along with his wishes and other advices. Thank you so much for your able guidance also, sir. Now that we have come to the end of the AGM successfully, our first of its kind virtual AGM, now I invite our Vice President, Mr. Madhu, for vote of thanks.
It's time to thank everybody. Am I audible?
Disconnect ஆச்சு திருப்பி லாகின் பண்ணேன் இங்க ரவின்னு வருது பேரை மாத்த முடியும்
Ravi, mute your mic.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Madhu.
Yeah, it's time to thank everyone now. I would like to thank all the members who have attended the general body meeting today. And I would like to thank our guests from parent chapter, Nandakumar sir, Dr. Radhakrishnan Nair, Dr. Rudramurthy, Dr. K. Prakasan, and Mr. Arasu. I would also like to thank all the office bearers who have functioned exceptionally well during this pandemic and conducted so many webinars involving the alumni and keeping the momentum going. I would like to thank each and every EC member who have supported in running the affairs of this chapter. The various committee coordinators and its members, they are carrying out an exceptionally good job. So I would like to thank every one of them. And special thanks to the AGM committee members and also to the Kartik team, Ravi Kumar, Akhilesh, Ananta Krishnan, Vadivel, Damu, for organizing this online AGM for the first time so successfully. I would like to thank our outgoing office bearer and treasurer, Shanmugam. I'd like to thank the Kartik management, Ratnakumar, Mar and Selvakumar, all of them belonging to 1994, and for providing organizational support to the chapter whenever required. I'd like to thank Zoho for providing technology partnership for all our digital activities, and its Vice President, Mr. Sivanandam, 1978 ME, for extending his sponsorship. And I would like to thank the special invitees who have attended this online AGM in spite of their busy schedule. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhu. Thank you, Madhu, for the vote of thanks. So we have come to the end of the program, and let's hope that this gets come to the pandemic comes to an end soon, and we all meet in person. And over to you, Jayanti.
Thank you, Vijay. Thank you all so much for being with us today. Wish you all a very happy and prosperous 2021, where we would like to see you all in person. Thank you so much.
Can we do a
picture?
Yeah.
Yeah, request all the panelist TEC members to turn on their video so that we could take a picture. Thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you all.
Thank you all. Good job.
Very well done. Very well done. Extremely well done.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
It's
you, sir.
wonderful.
Thank you.
Yes, Navani sir,
Navani sir, thank God
Navani
you.
sir, as usual, all under your fantastic guidance, sir.
சும்மா எல்லாம் சொல்லாதீங்க நீங்க எல்லாம் அட்டகாசமா வேலை பாக்குறீங்க நம்மள பேர் சொல்றீங்க நீங்க
அந்த ஒரு
Still have participants, so maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you all.
Thank you. Ravi, I think we could
Bye-bye.
close
have
this.
a nice weekend.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you all. Bye. Take care.